Assalamu alaikum. My name is Basil Kamal. I'm just 7A. This is my project for biology, lymphocytes. First thing, what is lymphocytes? A form of a small lymphocyte white blood cell with a single rough nucleus occurring especially in the lymphatic system. Lymphocytes are white blood cells that are close one of the body's main type of immune cell. They are made in the bone marrow and found in the blood and lymph tissue. The immune system is a complex network of cells known as immune cells that include lymphocytes. What is T cell? T cell, also called T lymphocyte, type of leukocyte, white blood cell that is an essential part of the immune system. T cells are one of the primary types of lymphocytes, B cell being the second type that determine the specificity of immune response to antigen foreign substances in the body. B cell. B cells are a type of lymphocyte that are responsible for the humoral immunity component of the adaptive immune system. This white blood cell produce antibodies which play a key part of immunity. Each B cell contains a single round nucleus. And thank you. This was my project for biology, lymphocytes.